In this video, I'm going to show you how to use tab stops in MS Word document. Let's get started. Um, I'm going to prepare sales data report, and it has the following columns: order ID, press the tab key here, sales representative name, then tab key, item name, tab key, units, tab key, unit cost, press tab, then total. So to see whether you have pressed the tab or whether you have used the spaces, go to the home tab, then click on the paragraph marks. When you click on this paragraph marks here, then you can see this is the right side arrow. If anything is arrow, it means that you have used the tab. Let's say for example, I have a order ID, and if I use the instead of using the tab, if I use the spaces, this is how you can see whether it is a tab or space. So always use the tab between the column between the fields. So in this case, order ID, sales representative name, item name, units, unit cost, and total. So this is what my roller is. If the roller is not visible or not enabled on our document, click on view and click this ruler tick box so that you can see the ruler on the left hand side as well as in the top of the document. So there are the type of tabs and that those tabs are aligned basically. Let's say for example, the sales representative, I want to move to little bit this way. So, and if you place the cursor where you want and then click here, then you get the L shape here. That means that there is a left indication tab, left alignment tab. And this item name, I want it to be here at position number, for example, here. Okay. And the units, I want to be at number 3 and unit cost at number 4, then total cost at number 5. Okay. So these are all left alignment. So now at the end of the total, and when you're pressing the enter key in the next row, so I'm going to remove this paragraph marks now just to give you the clear picture. So this, because you press the tab enter key here, the tabs positions will continue to the next line. So order ID is 101, sales representative name is Joe, and item name is apples, units are 10, then unit cost is 10, and then total is 100, like this. So now, and press the tab key. And when you're entering the data here, always use the tab key between one field to another field so that you can see exactly the alignment depends on the type of tab. So for example, now I want to change, for example, this is Fred, and these are oranges, units 20, and then 10, and then 200. So now what I want to do is I want to use a different tabs. So just to give you an example how to use the different tabs. Apples and oranges now is currently in the left alignment. So I want to use from them the right alignment. So now I'm going to select only the data but not the columns. Then choose this, double click on this tab, left to tab, and this is at 1.69. This is a 1, and then this is a 69. Then choose this 1.69 tab position, then change it to right, then click OK. Now you can see this alignment position is from the right, but you want to move this one towards here. So hold down this and then drag. Okay. So if you enter any data in the next time, so 103, then this is for example so now you can see this alignment is from the towards right side. But now this item name you want to make it as a center rather than right alignment for only the heading name. So now select this headers. So only this one, the item name, and you want to change it to center tab. So you can use a center tab, but you have to choose a correct one. So in this case, you have selected the tab position is a 0.75. Then cancel this. Then double click again to get the tabs position. choose the correct one, 1.69, and in this case you want center. Click OK. So now you can see this is a reverse T. So now you can move that and where you want that name to be appear. Okay, so the next one is from here. Then you can enter the number of units, then unit cost, and then unit cost. So the next one is using the decimal tab position. So the decimal tab position, let's say for example here I have 1000. Now you can see this 10.0.0 is this alignment and this is away this alignment. So I want to use that this decimal should be in the same alignment. So for that, first to select this entire data, I'm not going to change the headline. Now double click on this left tab, and let's say for example you have mistakenly clicked somewhere here in tab here. Just click on cancel, then to remove the tab, hold the tab and then drag into the document. So double click on this number 4. So here is a fourth one, and I want to use the decimal tab. Then click OK. So now you can see these decimals are aligned, but now I want to move this position, the decimal position, to somewhere here. So now you can see, let's say for example if I'm entering the value 200, the decimal point is fixed, and then the left side of the characters will be increased or decreased. Okay, so and if you want to do the same thing for total, and you can do the same thing, select this entire data, then double click here, then number 5, then change it to decimal, then click OK, then move this one to decimal here. So next time when you are pressing the enter key here, now you can see on the ruler bar, this is the left alignment, the first one, which is a sales representative. The second one is a right alignment, which is this item name, and then unit cost is a left alignment. Then this is a center with the dot. You can see that reverse T with the dot, and this is a reverse T with the dot on the bottom right corner. So to enter this, then I'm going to enter record number 104. For example, this is then the item name is and yeah, units are 5, and then each unit is 1 pound. Now then this is a 5.00. So this is how you can use the tabs in the document. And let's say for example, and if you don't want any tabs from this position, just clear the tabs by dragging them to into the document. Okay, so now the tabs position is a default tabs position. So ABC, XYG. So these are all default tabs position. And to see that whether you have used a tab or not, and always use a paragraph marks, so you know you have used the tab key. Thank you for watching this video.